Let's start with integrating all your social media accounts in one place, which is Hootsuite. Once you've created your account, what you need to do is start adding other social network accounts that you have. For example, let's try integrating your LinkedIn account. All you need to do is simply sign into your LinkedIn account at the pop-up window. When you do, you need to allow Hootsuite to use all the info you've provided in LinkedIn. Then you need to tick the account that you want Hootsuite to assist you with. As you can see, your LinkedIn account is now being added to your Hootsuite account. You can add the rest of your social network account to Hootsuite if you want to. Click Continue to proceed. All you need to do now is add the information of your business. Once completed, click All Done for you to be directed to your dashboard. That concludes how to integrate your social media accounts in one place. In the next module, I'll be showing you how to schedule your upcoming content.